Respecting others brings us joy. Everyone desires to be loved and respected, but external traits like wealth, beauty, or mere words won't earn you that respect. To garner respect, you must consistently do the right things. In this video, you'll discover 10 mistakes that can make people not appreciate you. Be sure to watch till the end so you don't miss anything. Fear of refusal. When someone fears saying no to requests, it can become absurd. Such people are taken advantage of and used. Don't let others see you as a means to achieve their goals. If a request contradicts your interests or desires, confidently decline. Failure to do so won't be appreciated or remembered, and people will continue to expect compliance. Learn to say no. It's a crucial skill. When you can refuse someone's request, your worth increases. People start valuing your yes instead of taking it for granted. Until you can say no, your yes holds no weight. Expecting approval. People enjoy being appreciated, but seeking constant approval is not advisable. Your value diminishes significantly if others perceive your insecurity. The same goes for seeking praise and flattery. Learn to accept others' approval as a bonus without expecting or seeking it. Stop relying on praise. Start evaluating and praising yourself. You can't please everyone. Everyone has different opinions, and it's futile to try to please them all. It doesn't matter what others think. They'll think something anyway. So relax, as Paulo Coelho said. Being dishonest about yourself. Don't lie about yourself or claim achievements, deeds, or possessions you don't have. Secrets are eventually revealed, and people quickly realize when someone is fabricating. This repels them, and your standing among friends or acquaintances doesn't improve. It's okay not to have extraordinary accomplishments. Lying won't elevate your importance. If you don't know something or aren't sure of your abilities, it's better to stay silent. Even if you act well and are respected, it won't last. Playing a perfect role is impossible for long, and when the facade fades, people become disappointed. Stop deceiving yourself by trying to deceive others. Your value increases when you can speak truthfully about yourself without shame. Speak truthfully, observe life, and you'll be respected. Respect is earned by those who remain true to themselves, regardless of the situation, time, or place. Mikhail Yuryevich Lermontov. Tolerating humiliation. If you tolerate humiliation and ridicule, you won't be respected. People quickly pick up on this and draw conclusions. If you don't value yourself, neither will they. Respect is like climbing stairs. It's hard-won. Tolerating ridicule and bullying causes you to descend like an elevator. If it seems like someone doesn't care about you, they do. Don't allow it. Don't swallow your pride. Don't hesitate to take action if you feel offended. But with a gentle smile, express your feelings clearly and calmly. Neglect, ignorance, ridicule, all should be addressed. This way, you'll elevate your standing and demonstrate that you are worthy of respect. No one can hurt you without your permission. Matt Haig. Breaking your word. Not keeping your word, making empty promises, is like taking out a loan you have no intention of repaying. It only leads to failure. People remember those who keep their promises. Not keeping promises questions your integrity, leaving a negative mark. Such a person will not be respected, even if they are a multimillionaire. Learn to keep your word in small matters. It's a valuable and rare quality. If you're not ready to fulfill a promise, don't make it. As Oscar Wilde said, "A man is valuable when his words match his actions." There's nothing more valuable than a promise kept, and nothing more shameful than breaking it. Pablo Escobar. Not valuing yourself. Some may feel that respect must be earned. When they look in the mirror, they see no qualities for which they can be appreciated. Those around them perceive this through their actions, gestures, and expressions. Some diminish their value with phrases like, "Who am I? My opinion means nothing," and so on. Why should others respect someone who doesn't see their own worth? Learn to love and respect yourself. Believe in yourself, and the world will begin to smile at you. Write down the qualities you are proud of and read them several times. Believe that you are valuable. Until you see your own value, it's impossible for others to see it. Show that you respect yourself, and you will be respected. Alexandre Dumas. Disrespecting others. Some people may not realize how their behavior makes others uncomfortable. They might interrupt, only talk about themselves, or belittle others' opinions, devaluing the person they're speaking to and disregarding their feelings and mood just to highlight themselves. Such behavior earns them not respect, but rather disdain. Learn to value others, smile, and be attentive. Discover topics that genuinely interest them and show sincere interest. This way, people will undoubtedly respect you. When you begin to listen to and respect others' opinions, a miracle will occur. Your own value will increase. Only those who respect others have the right to be respected. Vasily Alexandrovich Sukhomlinsky. Apologizing excessively doubts breed fear. Some people constantly doubt their actions and deeds, fearing criticism and condemnation, so they apologize preemptively. This can happen even when an apology is unwarranted. People subconsciously turn away from those who live in fear. This behavior is off-putting, and the person is no longer valued as they should be. Learn to apologize only when you are truly at fault. However, if apologizing has become a replacement for a simple greeting, it is unacceptable. Learn to differentiate between situations where you are genuinely at fault and situations where fear of being yourself led you to apologize unnecessarily. Do not justify your actions if you believe you are right, even in trivial matters. Multiple apologies seem less sincere than one genuine apology. Omar Khayyam. Complaining about life. Initially, this quality goes unnoticed. Everyone understands that life can have its challenges, so a few complaints here and there are normal. However, if complaints become a regular occurrence, few will tolerate them. More importantly, being around such a person always dampens the mood. Complaining is a form of self-contempt. By complaining, a person sinks lower, and no one will lift them up from that state. George Halifax. Talking behind others' backs. When you begin discussing someone behind their back, what impression does it leave? If the conversation doesn't touch on personal matters or flaws, there's nothing wrong. But if you start criticizing, spreading gossip, then problems arise. Gossips are not respected. I've heard so much slander about you that I have no doubt you are a wonderful person. Oscar Wilde. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to share your opinion and subscribe to the channel, friends. See you soon.